Hello children. So we are solving the questions from exercise 7.2. In our last class we have done till the question number 2. 1 and 2 we have solved. Okay. Now we are going to solve from the question number 3 onwards. In this video our question number 3 is add the following. So we have to add it. Addition, all of you know how to add. Here just we have to see the decimal number we have to add. Okay, that means the decimal part also we have to add, but how it will be addition is same process. All right, now let's see. So at first we will make it in column form. At 7.05 we'll arrange it here. 7. There you can see it's a 3 decimal places. Here it is 2 decimal places. So before adding we'll convert into the given numbers into the like decimal place. Okay, so 7.050 if we'll give one more 0 if we'll give, then it will be the, now it has 3 decimal place. Here also it is 3 decimal place it has also, so we can add it now easily. See, after making in column form, now we can add 0 plus 7, it will be 7. Then 5 plus 1, it is 6. And 0 plus 3, it's 3. Now, point is there, so point will be same, remain same. And 7 plus 8, it's 15. So, our result will be, sum will be, that means the 15.367. Okay. Now, let's do one more, that is B number 1. 25.5, 8.35, then 13.875. So we'll arrange it here like this, and before arranging we'll convert into like decimals. Okay, so 25.5, how many zero we should keep here, as it's a 2 decimal place, but here it is 3 decimal place, but it is 1 decimal place. So maximum number of decimal places, which number having 13.875 has 3 decimal place. So all we have to make 3 decimal place. Is that clear, children? So how we will make it? 25.520 should be added here in the right side, not in this left side, right side. Okay. Now 3.10 should add here, then 13.875. So now we can add it. 0 plus 0 it's 0, 0 plus 5 it's 5, and 5 plus 0 it's 5, plus 7 is 12. So 12 from 2 will be here, 1 will carry. For then 5 plus 3 it's 8, 8 plus 8 it's 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 17, 7 will be here, 1 will be carried forward. Now 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, 16 plus then 1 more, 1 is there, we have carried, so 1 is 17, so 7 is there and 1 will be carried forward. So 2, there is no digits 2 and no need to give 0. If you confuse, then you can give also 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 it's 4, so 47.725. This is our sum. Okay, now let's do one more, that is C number 1. Alright children, how we can add? See here, 4, 4 to 8. There is no decimal part, but we can make it into the decimal parts. There, if as we know, after point if we add 0 to the decimals part, 0 if we add, it does not change the value. So 400 to 8, if we will give point and 0, 0, it will not change the value of this number. But at first we will look the maximum number of decimal places in which number. This one 3 decimal place, here it is 2, where it is no decimal place. So how we can convert it into? We have to convert into 3 decimal places. So 3 0 we should add here. Now it's all right. Now next this number is this. We will add it 60.8510 should be added here. The next, see, if you are going to be confused, if you will add 3 numbers together, if you are finding difficult, then one thing you can do, at first you add 2 numbers, then with that result you can add the third number. All right, but in addition I think it does not creating any problem. It will not create any problem if you add three numbers also together. Okay, so we can do it now. 8 2 3 point, which is the 0. Okay, so addition we can do 0 0. If you add plus, so 0 0 plus 8 it's 8, then 0 plus 5 it's 5, 5 plus 2 it's 7. Now 8 plus 0 it's 8, and 8 plus 3 it's 11. So 1 will be 1 here and 1 will carry forward. So 8 plus 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is there, so carry it's there. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 6 plus 2 is 8, and 4 is there, so 4 will be remain same, and point is there, so point we have to give it. So this is our sum. All right, I hope it's clear to you now how to add. Just you have to convert into the like decimals, then you can add it simply. So children, now let's move to our next question, that is 4 numbers. Subtract the following. A number I have shown here 63.17 from 92.7. So from this number we have to subtract it from this number 92.7. So we can convert into like decimals 70, as there is 2 decimal place. So 92.70 minus 63.17. So we have arranged it. Now we can do the process of subtraction. See, as it is 0, so 1 will borrow from here. So it's 10 now. 10 minus 7 it's 3. Now it's as we have taken borrowed 1, so it is 6. 6 minus 1 it's 5. And now it's, you can see here 2. That means we have to borrow 1, so 12. 12 minus 3 it's 9. So 9, and here it is 8. 8 minus 6 it's 2. So 29.53. This is the result difference of these two numbers. Alright, now let's do one thing. B number 1. 438 from 672.89. Same way, here also you can see that decimal part is 0. So we can make it decimal part containing number, like if we'll add 0 after point. Okay, like this 672.89, 438 as 2 decimal place, so we will make it 2 decimals place 0.00. Okay, now we can do it here. 9 minus 0 it's 9. 8 minus 0 it's 8. Now here you can see 2. So if we'll here 8, so if we borrow 1 here it's 12. 12 minus 8 it's 4. Point will be here. Now it's 11 6. 6 minus 3 is 3, and there 6 minus 4 is 2. So 234.89. Alright children, and this is the difference. So same way the addition and subtraction can be solved by you. Rest of the sum can be solved by you yourself. Alright, now let's do word problems. Okay, the question number 5 is given. Subtract the 119.2 from the sum of the 712.3 and 28.109. So what does it mean? Actually, at first we have to look the sum of these two numbers. Okay, so sum of these two numbers, that means we have to add these two at first, then we have to subtract this number from the sum. So we'll do it at first, like arranging in column from like 712.3 decimal place we will make 300, then 28.109. So now we can add it. So after adding we have got 740.409. Then we'll subtract it this. So after subtraction this way, after subtraction I have got here 621.209. So this is the result. Alright, so at last we can write like this. Therefore 712, that means 721.3 plus 28.109 minus 199.2, it's equal to 621.209. Okay, so this is the result. Now same way you can see in your book that 5 number and that 7 number is, sorry, not 7, that 8 number is similar. Subtract this from the sum of this. So 8 number can be solved by you. Okay, now I am going to show you from this 6 and 7 number. I will show you the 7 number. So our 7 number question is, from the sum of this 9013.85 and 873.56 subtract 777.87. So at first we will add it, then we'll subtract it from the sum. So after adding, I have got here 9887.41 minus, now we'll do it that subtraction 777.87. then after subtraction we have got here 9109.54. Alright children, if you want you can do the column from, then you can arrange, then you solve it. Okay, and this 7 number is similar with the 6 number. You can see from the sum of these two subtract this one. So I hope it's clear to you now how you can add and subtract of the decimals number. So rest of the sums can be solved by yourself. Thank you.